Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's Bree from With Love Bree. Sorry, trying to change it up here. So today I'm just gonna do kind of a quick video of just showing you some projects that I'm gonna put inside of a package for a pen pal of mine. I'm not gonna show you guys putting it in a box or anything because I have nothing special to wrap my stuff with right now. A lot of it is in storage, so unfortunately I've just been kind of wrapping them with gift wrap from my gender reveal from a while ago that my mom saved, so I'm using that. But anyway, yeah, let me just show you guys what I'm gonna package up in this mail. So first, if you guys have not seen this video, I made these mini loaded bags. I'm gonna gift this one to my pen pal, and I'm not gonna say who it's for, but I probably won't have this video out until after it's been sent to her anyway. But there's that. And then I spent all night last night. I was up till 3 in the morning packaging up the embellishments. So I have some of those there too, but I had this envelope that I made with my laminator and my snap closures, and inside I just stuck a couple of embellishments in there as well. These I haven't shared on my Instagram, but I made these doily embellishments. And then I have a card. I won't say who it's for again, but this is the card. And then got that. I also am gonna have a video out of this. I make this, I don't decorate it on camera, but I do make this and show you guys how I made it. Inside it just holds some embellishments and bows and some rosettes, mini rosettes that I made. And then I just used some of the seam binding, which I have a haul on if you guys are interested. So I got that going. And then I also, I've shared this box that I made. And inside I just put one rosette. It was a really large rosette. And I have some crinkle paper my mom got me from the Dollar Tree when she was there, so I stuffed it at the bottom to lift it. And there's just this big rosette. It's a peacock rosette. I got it Tuesday morning. So there's that. And then I'm also going to gift her, I probably will have a video out either before or after this, but I show not decorating the front, but putting together the embellishment box in the inside. So I'll have a video of that out, so just keep an eye out for it. It's either going to be linked down below, or if it's not linked down, then that means I'm just going to post it after. But again, I'll have a video out for that. I think I'm going to hang some different seam binding at the end of this too, to kind of make it more interesting. But that's going in the box as well. And then I also, again, like I said, packaged up some embellishments, so I'll show you how I packaged them up. I'm trying to keep them very simple because I don't have enough product to be going crazy making a bunch of bag toppers. So I am using just a bunch of tickets and I'm clustering them in the corners. But this is, I have a tutorial on how to make these stitched heart embellishments. And then that's how that's decorated. And I also have a cellophane bag haul if you guys are interested on where I get it and what sizes I got. And then these are some butterflies that you can flare up the the wings. And then sometimes I package them up like this, but I packaged them up this time like this because the pattern paper was going up and down. And then this is the top. Again, kept it very simple. And if you guys don't follow me on my Instagram, I do show sneaks of my projects and stuff of what I'm working on my stories, so I'll have that link down below. But I have a tutorial and process video on how to make these. These are the little paper dangles, the flag tags. So I also packaged up 4 of those, in different styles. And as you can tell, they're kind of falling apart. I don't know if it's the weather here or what, but the adhesive, I just didn't want to put too much adhesive because then you can't use it without it getting damaged. I usually use acetate and then put like a glue dot on it, but I don't have a lot of acetate with me here, so. But yeah, sorry for the glare. And there's the cluster here. And then I don't know how I'm going to package all these up. I do make like little bags out of paper, and I sew it and I stick them in here. I sent some to Kamika, and if you guys want to watch that, I'll have the video linked down below of me showing her mail, and then you guys can see what I sent to her and how I packaged them. But I did have them all together in like a sewn up paper bag using pattern paper. And then I have these large rosettes in here. These are really chunky, as you guys can see. And it was like 2 in the morning, and I was like, oh my god, getting really tired. But yeah, so here's that one. But I really want to get this out right now so that way I can have her mail out. And then last but not least, here's this one. It's a mix of different embellishments. And I have the like stitched paper embellishments, and then I have a couple other ones. I have shares of all these, so if you guys are interested, definitely check those out. I'll have them linked down below as well. And here's the cluster on the top. I just went through all my tickets and just stacked them up and stapled them with the hot pink staple, and then I just glued it on here with some double-sided tape, and then just did a butterfly and some sequins for each one. Okay, and then that's it for that. And then last but not least, I'm going to send her this, I shared this is a sequin shaker suitcase, which everyone has been making even before. Again, I haven't been making stuff, so I kind of just hopped on it on this train, but yeah, this is how it looks, and I've done a share of this as well. But I put one of those flag tags that I did with the shaker house because I had one left, and then the inside so there's some crinkle paper, and then I also have these 2 bags. It's a die that I have, and I think it's a Chamel Lane bag die. Super cute, and I've had it in my stash for a while, so I used it to make these, and then I just added some goodies inside. Packaged up this envelope that she can use to put goodies inside when she wants to mail out something. And each of the packaging has like sequins in it too at the bottom. And then I have a shaker embellishment. I have a tutorial out of these envelopes. I show you guys how you can create the envelopes, some easy liners using the mini We Are Memory Keepers envelope punch board, and then also how to decorate one, because these are super fun to make. And then I have this Tim Holtz die that I used my laminator to laminate, and then I stuck it with some Maggie Holmes goodies, and then this is a Hobby Lobby leaf, and then this bow die, and I just packaged that one up without any pattern paper because I feel like the pattern was already kind of busy. And then I have a shaker envelope. Again, all these have shares, and I even have a share of this. This is a shaker envelope as well. You guys can see here. And then inside I have some bag toppers, and I just use a Velcro closure. I'm so glad I brought a couple. I only have like 2 left, but I'm so glad I have them because I needed something to close this. I really didn't want to use a glue dot because I feel like it might tear it apart. But I just put some bag toppers for her. I have a video on this too. I actually have a process video on this one, not just a share. And then this one I have a share. This one's like really dimensional, and it's a bag topper, doily bag topper. And then here's the shaker. And then these are inside. But yeah, so that is what I'm going to be sending out for her. All of it is handmade. I usually just send handmade goodies unless I'm able to go to the store and buy something. But yeah, so I sprinkled some sequins that matched the bottom here. And then I just put all the goodies inside so she can have a look at them. Just like this. And then I just sprinkled a little bit of this because I didn't want it to be too hectic with it. And then just close it up. Oops. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to be sending to her. I'm going to box it up once I'm done recording this video. And then I'm going to go ahead and get it sent out as soon as I can, probably in a couple days. But I just wanted to share with you guys kind of like what I'm including. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing that. And if you guys are interested on my in my Instagram, because I do post on my Instagram, I will have that link down below. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, whatever day it is you guys are watching this. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!